Hello everyone, this is a sure shot strategy for binary options. Today's tutorial will explain how this strategy can help you to never lose your money again to any binary options broker. Today we are trading OTC currencies on the Quotex platform, and the link to join the platform is in the video description. First, you want to make sure your trade expiry time is 5 minutes and your candle time 1 minute. Add the moving average indicator to your 1 minute chart with period 100 and type WMA. Choose a good color and add line thickness. The next indicator to be added to the charts is the MACD indicator, which the settings will remain the same and you add only thickness of its lines. Lastly, add the vortex indicator and change its V+ color to green and add its line thickness to make it more visible. Adjust the indicator window below the charts to fit in a good readable way and you are all good to start taking some good trades. Give the video a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. This is how we take trades to grow this account daily. Before placing trades like those on screen now, we start by identifying the market trend direction with the help of the 100 period moving average. As the moving average is going downward as on screen now, it indicates the market is in a downtrend, and that is the market condition we place sell trades in. When the market is in a downtrend and the green line of the MACD indicator cross below the red line downward, and at the same time the green line of the vortex indicator crosses below its red line, then it's a good moment to place sell trades like on screen now. Let's wait for the trades to close, then we continue to other entry for trade. The entry was great and the trades closed with profit. This is another entry following the strategy and it's a call option entry. The moving average is going upward and that indicates the market is in an uptrend. When the market is in an uptrend as on screen, then you place a buy trade when the green line of the MACD indicator cross above the red line upward, and at the same time the green line of the vortex indicator also crosses above the red line upward, then it's a good buy entry. The entry is not the best because the market at this moment is consolidating at the moving average and the MACD indicator bars are having very small upward momentum. Let's watch how the market plays out. We lost the 2 trades, but we will continue to other trade entries. This is another sell entry following the strategy. The moving average is indicating the market is in a downtrend as it is going downward and the candles are below it. The sell trade entry is given by the MACD indicator as its green line crossed below the red line downward, and the entry is confirmed by the vortex indicator as its green line crossed below the red line downward. The sell trades closed with profit. Great. This is a great call option entry and all the entry conditions are all true. The green lines have all crossed above the red lines and the moving average is going upward, confirming it's a good moment for call option trades. All the buy trades closed with profit. Great. This is another sell entry following the strategy, and all the red lines have crossed above the green lines and the moving average is going downward, indicating the market is in a downtrend, and that's absolutely good for sell trades. The entry was good and the trades all expired with profit. Here is another great call option entry following this accurate strategy. The moving average is going upward and the green lines of the Vortex and MACD indicator have all crossed above the red lines, confirming it's a good moment to place buy trades. The entry was all good and the trades closed with absolute profit. We took some additional trades and the results are still absolutely great. We have done a lot of practice with this strategy to be this profitable.